Welcome! Playing with positive emotions. I see a lot of people stuck in the healing journey, trying to fix, trying to work too much on releasing negative emotions. Sometimes we need to also emphasize work on positive emotions. If negative emotions are draining, contracting, while positive emotions are doing the opposite. They are extending, they are regenerating. We need to set intention to live more positive emotions. Once we feel that we're good with ourselves, example, we had a good morning routine, we center ourselves, clear some blockages, release some emotion, align chakras. I did a nice breath work. Then I can set the intention to live excitement, creativity, inspiration, joy, calmness, whatever I wish. I can close my eyes, try to ask my soul, what does it want to do right now? I can also do the same with my inner child, which is going to give me a very similar answer, right? Because of the magical personality. With muscle testing and downloading the PDF of this lesson, you can analyze what are the top 5 positive emotions that you're living most of the time. With the pendulum or muscle testing, you can ask, exactly like the emotional code chart, what are the top 5 emotions I'm living most of the time? Is it column A, column B? On the PDF, you're going to see a list of emotions. There's different images I found on Google Image. And you can see, maybe with the images, you can play with one. Am I living most of the time a positive emotion in this column? Yes or no? In the next column? Yes or no? And then you can ask one by one. It's a bit longer. Or you can ask, is it on the first half of the column, the second half of the column? And then like this, you find your top 5 positive emotions. You can ask also, what are the 5 positive emotions I need to live more in my life, right? The one that maybe I forget or I don't live enough. Those type of questions and journaling about those emotions, trying to research about those specific positive emotions is going to help you bring more awareness and understanding. Some great journaling prompts are, how do I like to have fun in my life? What excites me? What inspired me? What do I like to create or play with my creative energy? I can literally go through the whole list and ask, when do I feel nurtured? When do I feel interested? When do I feel happy? When do I feel proud? I can ask, what is my level of understanding of feeling happy? Or 50, 60, 70, I have 60, 60, 65. And then I can set a baseline like that and start comparing the different positive emotions and see that the ones that are a bit lower percentage, maybe I should do more research into them, bring more understanding. In the PDF of this lesson, I'm also leaving you with a post that I did of the antonym of all the negative emotions. So each time that you're working on a negative emotion, bring awareness on the opposite of it. It is a great way to transmute this negative emotion. Have fun exploring positive emotion. It is very, very important. It is a reminder that all of us need. Thank you so much.